Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and also welcome to this course Object Oriented Programming using Java. Myself Tanvir Rahman, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain about basic OOP classes and objects. So first of all we need to know about OOP. So OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming, which is completely related to real life. As in real life we can see several objects in front of us, their properties or attributes and their corresponding activities. Like we can think about a car as an object which has some fields or attributes like the name of the car, like the manufacturer of the car, like how much cc it is, and the model of the car, the color of the car, whether it has air condition or not, how many seats available, the price of the car, and the activities of the car can be acceleration, deceleration, stop, start, and so on. So these are the real life concept of objects. In OOP it also implements this kind of concepts in programming. So in software objects we can also have fields, their attributes and the corresponding activities. So how we can implement these concepts in OOP? Let me show you that. So first of all, to do that we need Eclipse. So I am opening the Eclipse IDE firstly. So I'm clicking the Run as Administrator button, and then Eclipse will load, and after that we have to create a project. So firstly, in order to create project we need an working environment. So the environment is ready. So firstly we need to click on File and then New and then Java project. Okay, so the name of the project will be car management system. Okay, so I am giving only the name of the project and then leaving as it is, and which means the JRE is Java Standard Edition 10, which I have installed it in this machine. And now I'm going to click the finish button. So the car MS project is ready, and inside the project there are several things. This is called a Java package, the SRC package, which is the default package. Inside of this package we can create another package. Package is nothing but a folder. So inside SRC we can say that the package name will be car or cars. What about cars? Okay, so I'm clicking the finish button and cars package is created. There are also some system libraries, and there are several libraries that is needed to run the project and to get the content from the libraries. And for the time being, let us skip the concept of library. As time goes on we will be understanding the concepts of library. Okay, so first of all we have created a package, and inside this package we can create a class by clicking the right click and then New and then Class. And inside the class let me give you the name car. Okay, so the modifier will be public. I will describe about these modifiers in a separate video. Now I am leaving all of the options as it is, then I'm clicking the finish button. So what I did was, inside the cars package I have created a new class, and that is car. Okay, so inside car I can put several fields. To do that I can simply write string name, and it must not be capitalized. Sorry, it must be capitalized. Okay, so now another fields like string model, another field like double price. So these are the fields or attributes of the car class, which is related to real life objects. Now, what about the activities of car? I can simply write the activities like the functions, the concept of functions. So I can write void, which is the return type, accelerate. Okay, so this is the activity of this class, that is the car class. It has several fields and it has a function or activity. So that is the concept of class in Java. Now if we want to create an object of this class, let me quickly open another class. So inside cars I want to create another class that is called program. You can give a name according to your choice. So inside this program class I want the main method to be created. So I'm checking this option and then I'm clicking the finish button. As we know from the concept of C programming that every C program must have a main function. Here this is the same concept. The total code will execute from this section. So inside program class the main method is already created. Here we will create the object of the car class. In order to do that, firstly we have to write the name of the class, then the name of the object, then equals sign, then new, then again the name of the class, and then putting the parenthesis and then semicolon. So this is the object of the car class, which is BMW. Now if we write BMW and put a dot there, then we can access all of the fields and functions we have declared in the class. So that is the end of the concept of classes and object in Java. Myself Tanvir Rahman, and I am signing out. Thank you for watching.